Today I will discuss about the biology subject, chapter 10. Main topic is action spectrum and absorption spectrum. As you know, the term spectrum here is spectrum which generally includes the visible spectrum. Visible spectrum. Visible spectrum means the PAR. PAR as visible spectrum. Notice this PAR means photosynthetically active radiation. Photosynthetically active radiation is the expand of PAR. Photosynthetically active radiation is full name of PAR, which is also known as visible spectrum. And this visible spectrum or PAR, which generally has the wavelength of light range in between the 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. At the range of 400 to 700, this range is called as visible spectrum. This range is called as visible spectrum, in which 7 color of light has noticed, which are in the acronym of VIBGYOR. Generally, the maximum photosynthesis occur in the 650 nanometer to 760 nanometer, a range of red color, and second one after that is for the blue color, and the violet color is very less. Violet color in the range of 390 nanometer to 430 nanometer, and blue color in the range of the 470 nanometer to 500 nanometer. So the action spectrum. First of all, I told you about the action spectrum. An action spectrum means rate of photosynthesis. Rate of photosynthesis has given in the blue color and red color wavelength of visible spectrum. Is called action spectrum. Here, the definition of action spectrum is the rate of photosynthesis has given in the blue color and red color wavelength of visible spectrum is called action potential. Here, the such type of sketch is given below. Suppose this is the far wavelength at the nanometer at the x-axis and rate of photosynthesis as given as y-axis and wavelength if noticed like 400, 500, 600, 700 in the nanometer, and rate of photosynthesis also has noticed on the y-axis. It is found that here the action spectrum for chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, then it is found that the chlorophyll A, which generally has shown by the dot line, this is for chlorophyll A, and chlorophyll B this is for chlorophyll B, and this is the sketch for action spectrum. As in the chlorophyll A, which shows the high energy in the range of blue color, as blue color in the range of photosynthetically active radiation is 470 nanometer to 500 nanometer wavelength range, where the maximum energy is found as in case of chlorophyll A has seen, but maximum rate of photosynthesis is found in the red color in the chlorophyll A than chlorophyll B, because chlorophyll A is the main pigment of chlorophyll. As chlorophyll A main pigment in the case of photosynthesis in the visible spectrum. So chlorophyll A is main pigment and chlorophyll B is the accessory pigment. Here chlorophyll A is considered as main pigment of chlorophyll, and chlorophyll B is called as accessory pigment. It is called accessory pigment. Accessory pigment means chlorophyll B absorb light and provide the energy to the chlorophyll A. That is why chlorophyll B is called as accessory pigment, although chlorophyll A is called as main pigment in the photosynthesis. And it is found that for chlorophyll A, which shows maximum photosynthesis in the red color range. This red color range wavelength is given as 650 nanometer to 760 nanometer. At the right side of the visible spectrum are PAR, and in the blue color, which has more energy than the red color. Because in previous lecture I have told that the maximum wavelength means less energy and less wavelength means more energy. So blue color light has more energy in comparison to the red color light in the photosynthetically active radiation or visible spectrum. It is clear that blue color has more energy. That is why blue color light rays reaches in the deep water for photosynthesis. So rate of photosynthesis is found here more in chlorophyll A than chlorophyll B in the red color light. And rate of photosynthesis with respect to the wavelength, if measured by the graphical presentation, this is called as action potential. Action spectrum. Action spectrum for chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B has given by such type of graph, where wavelength has given at x-axis. As wavelength increases from the violet, indigo, then blue color, photosynthesis rate increases. But after this, in green color, it has noticed about the photosynthesis very less in the green color, and yellow color photosynthesis somewhat increased in orange color too. But in red color, it is found maximum for chlorophyll A, which symbol is given by dot line. This is for chlorophyll, dot for chlorophyll A, and the smooth line is for chlorophyll B. This is the indication for such type of pigment in the action spectrum. After this, another type of spectrum is absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum has given by the help of graphic representation. This is the for absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum means when the absorption of light for photosynthesis absorption of light for photosynthesis in the sense of optical density. With respect to or with respect of wavelength. Wavelength in nanometer has shown by the help of graph called absorption spectrum. If the graph plotted between wavelength in nanometer at x-axis and absorption of light for photosynthesis in the sense of optical density. In the sense of optical density has given. The graph plotted like the value as given earlier: 400, 500, 600, 700 nanometer wavelength. Then the absorption spectrum, which shows that for the chlorophyll A and B as given here, chlorophyll A and B, like the this is for chlorophyll A, and for chlorophyll B, which has given as this is for chlorophyll B. In the absorption spectrum, and notice here the range for chlorophyll B is towards the more than red, but red color here also shows the maximum value for the chlorophyll A than chlorophyll B. Absorption spectrum and action spectrum both related with the visible spectrum of light in which photosynthesis takes place, but only 1% light absorbed for photosynthesis by the terrestrial plant, terrestrial and higher plant. It means in 100%, only 1% light absorbed for photosynthesis. 99% light either few percentage reflect back. Suppose this is a plant and this is structure of a small potted plant. Then if the sunlight reaches, suppose this is the as sunlight reaches from the sun on the leaf, then few light reflect back in the atmosphere and only 1% light absorbed by the leaf where photosynthesis has done in the mesophyll tissue by the help of chlorophyll in the chloroplast. Here, few light generally transmitted to another side toward the earth's surface from the sun rays. So, incident ray. This is the incident ray which reaches on the leaf surface, reflect back. Here, this process shows reflection of light, and this is the incident light. So, incident light only 1% light absorbed for photosynthesis. As you know, photosynthesis is summation of photochemical reaction and the biosynthetic reaction. Photochemical reaction means light reaction, and this light reaction which depends on the light, only 1% light absorbed, 99% light either few part, about 30% reflection occur from the leaf surface, and remaining part mostly transmitted. This is the transmitted light. This is the transmitted light. So, transmitted light mostly from the leaf to another side towards the soil, from the leaf, if indicated by the simple diploid plant which has dorsiventral leaf, generally the reflection occur and transmitted light only 1% light absorbed, and this absorption of light has done in the range of par. Absorption has done in the range of par means photosynthetically active radiation. Photosynthetically active radiation, I have told you, shows the spectrum of 7 colors called Vibgyor, in which the red color, this is for red color, and these range for blue color. So, in the red color, generally the red color shows less energy, and blue color, this is blue color, blue color shows more energy. So, blue color light reaches deeply in the water, and photosynthesis has done by aquatic plant. Sometimes the light rays, if reaches on the surface of leaf in the terrestrial plant. Terrestrial means plant which is found on the land is called terrestrial. And higher plant I mean to say flowering plant, like this plant which has shown here. The leaf which contain chloroplast, that is why color of leaf is found green. Then only 1% light absorbed and remaining light either reflect back in the air or transmitted to another side. So the absorption of light for photosynthesis means optical density with respect to the wavelength in nanometer, which has given at x-axis. If the graph plotted, this graph shows the absorption spectrum for chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, where chlorophyll A is considered as the main pigment and chlorophyll B is accessory pigment. Today we will study about the action spectrum. In action spectrum, I told you that the graph plotted between the as rate of photosynthesis on the y-axis and wavelength at x-axis. Then the rate of photosynthesis measured by the pigment chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B has shown. And in the action spectrum, it has noticed that the maximum photosynthesis occur in the red color wavelength range, and chlorophyll A shows much photosynthesis than the chlorophyll B. So it is clear that the chlorophyll A is main pigment and chlorophyll B is accessory pigment, which provide the absorbed light energy in the form of different chlorophyll pigment to the chlorophyll A, which has reaction center, and this reaction center is stimulated, then electron emits, and then the electron transfer occurs by the different electron acceptors. As you know, in the pigment system, first electron return back to the reaction center, that is why it is called cyclic photophosphorylation in PS first. But in case of PS second, electron can't return back to the reaction center, that is why PS second is called photosystem second. I have explained already in the previous lecture. So the action spectrum is the spectrum in which the rate of photosynthesis has given at y-axis and wavelength at x-axis. And in the action spectrum, the maximum photosynthesis occur in the red color range, which is 650 nanometer to 760 nanometer wavelength. And second one, photosynthesis occur in the blue color, which has wavelength range at 470 nanometer to 500 nanometer range. But in case of absorption spectrum, this is absorption spectrum, which given as absorption of light for photosynthesis means in the sense of optical density, the wavelength given at x-axis. Then such type of graph here shown, this is called absorption spectrum. So absorption spectrum means when the absorption of light for photosynthesis has optical density with respect to wavelength has shown by the help of a graph called absorption spectrum. Okay.